Paris Panthers. This is Ms. Amandaris, and I'm creating a video for you so that you can figure out how to get to your classes. The first thing I need you to do is open up a web browser, just like this, and I need you to come up here to this search box, and I'm going to type in ehs.puhsd.org in order to go to our Paris High School homepage. So this is our high school. This is where we attend school. And on this homepage, you'll see these tabs: Home, About, Parents. And the tab I want you to click on is called Classlink. This is the tab that's going to take you to everything you're going to need as a student. So I need you to click it. And it's going to open up your apps, or your icons, as I call them. These are all the places that you're going to be able to get into because you have, one, enrolled into Paris High School, and two, you have enrolled into certain classes, right? So these icons are going to appear for you here. For this video, there are two very important icons that I need you to focus on. The first one is called Canvas, which is this red circle one here. And the second one is Google Classroom, which is this one here. These two are the platforms that your teachers use in order to give instruction during online learning. Basically, these are the two places where your teachers are going to post your assignments, post your grades, post your feedback, right? Post your test, everything. Get in contact with you through these two here, okay? Besides your Gmail. Now, most of the teachers use Google Classroom, but in order to get to Google Classroom, we have to start in Canvas. So I'm going to click on Canvas, and it's going to take me to the dashboard, which is basically the home page for Canvas. And on this home page, you're going to see boxes, right? These boxes are all the classes you are enrolled in. You should have at least 7 boxes, and they should be your English, math, science, history, all of those. So I'm going to click on English, for example, and let's say we have Mr. Ernst for English. He's going to give me his contact information, which is his email, so now I know how to contact him. And then he's going to tell me that he doesn't use Canvas, he uses Google Classroom, and that here is his code per period. So what period do I have Mr. Ernst? I have Mr. Ernst for 3rd period. So now I'm going to click on this link, which is going to take me back to the apps, right? And I'm going to click on Google Classroom. And Google Classroom looks exactly like Canvas because it's going to give me boxes, okay? They're the same type of boxes, and these are all the classes that I'm enrolled in Google Classroom. So I don't have Mr. Ernst, right? So I'm going to click on the plus sign here, and then it's join a class, and it's going to ask me for a class code. So I'm going to go back to what Mr. Ernst said, and I'm going to look at the code 6JC6KH5. So I'm going to put in here 6KH5, okay? Once the code is there, the little blue button will pop up and I will join. And hopefully it'll let me join Mr. Ernst's English class because I need to know what I'm missing. Yay! We got into Mr. Ernst's English class. So then now I can click on the link, right? So when we do have live interaction, I know where to go. And then he's also posted the assignments. So now I know what I need to do for this class, okay? Now, sometimes when you go back to Canvas, right, you go back to your dashboard and you see all the boxes, sometimes your teacher uses Canvas. So here's my history class. And sometimes she uses this. So I'm not going anywhere but staying in Canvas. And so here's my Meet for live instruction. Here's my agenda, right? My syllabus, all of this, okay? And here are my modules, discussion, and quizzes. That's for a different video. But so now I know that either my teacher uses Canvas or they use Google Classroom, okay? And to get here, I need to go to Classlink, all right? Hopefully this makes sense.